forget your die set. The die set, you know what I mean, for whatever you're gonna be taking, well, whatever you make the most. That's what I would say you should carry. Carry the most important things with you. Don't carry the stuff that you think you would need. Take the things that you know you would need. Okay? So we got the lead hand press, we got the die set, way more. Got me some powder. You know what I mean, the good old powder, the CFE pistol by High's Dime. Also got that CFE 223. Joint nice, man. I ain't gonna lie, these like one of the top powders. You know what I mean? Besides the other ones, like, but y'all, I'm gonna show y'all plenty more. But these is a must for me.